Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Clapper app sign up problem. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with the Clapper app here and you're having troubles with signing up, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to know and you need to do here to probably solve this issue. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you have a stable internet connection. Now, sometimes if you don't have a stable internet connection or internet connection is pretty slow, well, this could actually cause problems in the sign up, in this case, process. So typically speaking, you might want to switch over to a different network or even different Wi-Fi connection. Even try using mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Next thing they want to do is you want to make sure that the app is up to date. So in this case, if you've downloaded it before, it's best to have the latest version when you're signing up. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, search for Clapper, and from then on, see if there are any updates. So if you do see an update button next to Clapper, you want to click on it, wait for the update to complete, restart your phone, and see if that solves the issue. But if that doesn't work, the last and final thing that you can do here is you want to clear the actual cache. Now, you want to go ahead and look for Clapper here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and you want to go and click on Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Clear Cache, and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, restart your phone and see if that solves your issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.